Are you feeling stressed? Tension in your shoulders, neck and back? Experiencing headaches or migraines? Feeling emotionally drained, anxious, or irritable? Maybe you are finding it difficult to concentrate on basic tasks, deciding to opt out of meeting up with friends, making you feel withdrawn or isolated from your usual routine. You find yourself mulling over your day or what a friend or colleague said to you the day before. It's keeping you awake at night, tossing and turning, you just can't seem to nod off. The next day, you are left feeling exhausted and your workload is not any less. This can lead to a downward spiral of health deterioration if you don't take a good hard look at what is going on in your life. It's important that we nip stress in the bud the moment we see it creeping into our lives. There are numerous reasons that each and every one of us experiences stress at some point in our lives. Feeling overloaded at work, pressured to meet deadlines. Concerns about our finances, or how we are going to meet our monthly expenditure. Relationship issues or being concerned about our health, or the well-being of a loved one. There is one thing that is certain: worrying is a fruitless exercise, which only adds to an existing issue. When we allow ourselves to continue on that trajectory, it can lead to a downward spiral. Unmanaged stress can build up and harm our well-being over time. Starting with acute stress and leading to chronic stress if left unresolved. Acute stress occurs from sudden events like arguments, deadlines, traffic, or the shock of an accident. It's short-term and triggered by immediate threats, lasting minutes, hours, and sometimes days. If small events like this persist on a regular basis, this is when acute stress can lead to chronic stress, so this is why it's so important to be aware of our emotional well-being and how to internally manage it successfully. Chronic stress, on the other hand, may be caused by more serious issues, such as poverty, toxic relationships, abuse, or long-term illness. Chronic stress tends to last over a period of weeks, months, and often years, depending on the cause and how it is managed. It's persistent and can be ongoing due to challenges or unresolved issues, unless actively managed. It does not go away on its own accord and requires long-term interventions to reduce or resolve it. The effects on our body can be taxing. Acute stress, the short-term kind, may cause temporary heart rate increase, muscle tension, or digestive issues. Chronic stress, the long-term kind, can weaken the immune system, cause sleep disturbances, hormonal imbalances, and long-term mental health issues, like anxiety and depression. So while acute stress triggers immediate reactions, chronic stress can lead to ongoing health risks over time. So let's talk about remedies. Acute stress can be tackled with simple application that we can incorporate into our daily lives. These include deep breathing exercises. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6 seconds, to bring calm and serenity whilst reducing anxiety levels. Try it out once you are done with this video. The effects can be truly amazing. Participate in light exercise, like walking, stretching, or yoga. Move your body to release tension and improve your circulation. Exercising reduces stress hormones and stimulates the production of endorphins, the feel-good hormone. Find your happy place, whether that be listening to music, taking a long soak in the bath, cooking, knitting, or meeting up with a friend for a coffee. It will calm your nervous system. When tackling chronic stress, long-term solutions like regular exercise, 3 to 5 times weekly, fitness permitting, and daily meditation or mindfulness practices are key. Did you know that around 275 million people worldwide meditate daily? The mental health benefits are outstanding. Cognitive behavioural therapy, CBT, sleep hygiene, and a consistent, restful night's sleep are key to well-being. A balanced diet supports mood and energy, while setting boundaries for yourself and managing time more efficiently helps prevent tension, burnout, and stress. You got this. It's important to understand that in this hectic world of ours, You are not alone, and people suffer from stress daily. It's how we deal with it that can really turn things around for us, managing our stress levels efficiently and effectively, by making the simplest of changes. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please subscribe to my channel. It would offer me so much support. Be happy. Be healthy. Live longer. Thank you.